Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment and loading the trained model. Verify GPU drivers, Python, and memory so inference runs reliably. Once done, install the runtime library and confirm import works. This prevents cryptic failures later. Next, load the model file from model path or an explicit path because explicit paths avoid ambiguity. Make sure to set device to GPU if available, otherwise CPU. This choice impacts speed and memory use, so pick based on your hardware. You now handle inputs and execute inference. First, preprocess data to match the model, tokenize text to the 512 token limit, normalize values, or resize images to the model's expected dimensions. Once preprocessed, batch inputs in sizes like 8 to 32 to optimize throughput without OOM errors. Then, switch the model to evaluation mode and run inference inside a no-grad block to save memory and speed up computation. Also, measure latency and throughput to tune. You finish by post-processing outputs and saving results. Decode logits with softmax or topk, detokenize tokens, or map class ID to human labels so outputs are actionable. Then persist predictions and model checkpoints, and log metrics like latency, accuracy, and memory use for future tuning. If something fails, first check model device mismatch, incorrect preprocessing steps, or library version conflicts because these cause most issues. As a quick fix, run a minimal example input to isolate where the pipeline breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.